Ooh, I like this one, Rex.
What's going on, guys? My name is Rex and I like raw denim, men's fashion, sneakers, and music production. Today, I've got another thrift haul for you guys. Check it out. So, I hit up a couple of local thrifts and I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with what I came up with. There were a couple of items that I copped that I thought they were taxing me on, but that's okay because I really like those items. So, let's get into it. The first item, this Gap flannel. It's a size medium and it fits me pretty fitted. Not too tight, but not too loose either. It's got white, navy, red, yellow throughout the plaid pattern. The plaid pattern is pretty dope in my opinion. And the colors also work really well together. Not to mention, they are the Boston Red Sox colors. So it'll go perfect with my Boston Red Sox fitted. And guess how much I got this for? $1. Here's the Gap tag. It's not really vintage, but like I said, I like the plaid pattern and the colors. Now, even though the Gap flannel isn't vintage, I still think it was a steal since I got it for only $1. Alright, next up, we got another flannel. It's from Woolrich. I got this for 15 bucks. A bit on the pricey end for a thrift store, but I really like the colors on this and couldn't pass it up. It's got brown, gold, white, and a shade of teal blue. It's got a larger print plaid pattern, and also this is a size large, so it fits me a little bit big, which I like the slightly oversized fit. It is on the boxier side as well, so it gives off that aesthetic, which I really like. There's the tag. Made in India, size large. This Woolrich flannel is also not vintage, but it's alright. It's pretty heavy material as well, so it'll definitely keep you warm in the winter. Alright, on to the next one. Now the next two items, I've got to say, are probably my most favorite pickups out of this haul. The first one is a vintage wool material quarter button up long sleeve polo. Check that out. It's got an amazing red, green, blue, and black geometric pattern, which is very similar to the 70s or 80s. It's even got these shoulder pads, which I don't really like. I might cut those out. The sleeves are really baggy too. You can see how big they are. And I got this for 18 bucks. The tag even says vintage. And it's by a brand called Giovanozzi, made in Italy. Check out the tag. But yeah, I'm really excited about this piece. It's a vintage piece and really dope, colorful colors and a great piece to add to my collection. One flaw it has is that there is a hole on the back of the neck. You can see there. But with holes in vintage clothing, it doesn't really bother me because it gives it that vintage distressed look and just gives it more character. Yeah, I'm really excited to see what kind of outfits I can throw on with this. So keep an eye out for the outfit ideas at the end of the video for the fit checks. Now the next item is a kind of a loud piece as well. And I decided to pick it up because guess what? I got it for only 60 cents. The price tag was $2 and I got another 70% off of that. The local thrift that I got this at might be the go-to place for me now, but I'm gonna have to keep that under wraps for now. But anyways, check it out. It's a checkered pant in black and white on one leg and a solid black color on the other leg. It's got cargo pockets on both sides. See there and there. 2 front pockets. Now I don't think this is vintage, but it's still a pretty cool item. Now I think I'm gonna try to rework this item as well. But yeah, it has this little patch here on the pocket, which I think I'm gonna end up cutting off. But another thing I'm thinking about reworking is the cuffs. I'm not really feeling the cuffs here. I'll try it on to see how it looks, but I might end up just cutting it off for a nice raw edge and for a baggier straight leg look. But before I do that, I'll see how the cuffs look on body first. Here's how the pants look on body with the cuffs. This probably would have been cool and in style a few years ago. But yeah, I'm really excited what I can do with this piece. Again, it's a kind of a loud piece, but it's very unique. So the material on this pants feels pretty premium and high quality. However, the craftsmanship is on the poor side. The stitching doesn't seem very neat and it doesn't seem very strong either. It feels like it'll come unraveled. But we'll see how they hold up over time as I wear them. But yeah, I'll definitely be taking that little patch off, just cutting off the threads and taking that off. But yeah, it's a pretty unique piece, I think, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. Is it too loud, too out there, not your style? But yeah, so that'll wrap up the thrift haul segment. Now let's take a look at these outfit ideas. Hopefully you can take some inspiration from it, develop your own sense of style as well into your own wardrobe and own outfits. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so here I'm reworking the vintage top. I'm carefully cutting the stitching to remove the shoulder pads. I knew my pocket multi-tool would come in handy. Now onto the pants that I'll be reworking as well. As you can see, it has that ugly patch. So I'll be doing a similar process and cutting the stitching to remove the patch. I'm not quite done with the pants just yet. Here, I am cutting off the jogger cuffs. Don't get me wrong, I'm still a fan of joggers, like the old Fear of God pants with the zippered ankles. But in my opinion, these pants didn't really look that great on body with the jogger cuffs. Here, I am pulling at the raw edges to help make it fray better. Now let's check out the outfits. This first fit is a real simple yet clean outfit. I thrifted this heavily faded blank black tee. I just love the wash on this. Over that is the Gap flannel that I picked up. I decided to button the flannel this time. I like to leave the last few buttons unbuttoned to show off the layering. It's just my personal style. I paired this with my Ironheart 666 XHS heavyweight denim, and also threw on my APC jean work jacket as another layering piece. As for the kicks, I used my beater Air Jordan 4 breads. The red accents on the shoe are really emphasized by the red colors on the flannel. And of course, I've got my Boston Red Sox fitted cap, which matches perfectly. This next outfit is a great fit if you're looking to stand out from the crowd. For the top, I've got a vintage 2008 Celtics Beat LA tee. Some people may not consider it vintage at 16 years old, but it's close enough if not vintage already in my opinion.
For the pants, I've got the checkered pants that I thrifted and reworked. They now fit a lot baggier after clipping off the elastic cuffs. And for the shoes, I've got the Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s. And I also threw on my selvedge denim APC jean work jacket. To top it off, I also went with my vintage Celtics hat. The colors work really well together and tie in perfectly with the shoes and hat. It's not a fit I would rock too often, but it makes for a great way to set yourself apart if that's the look you're going for. For the next outfit, I put together a fit for the vintage top that I picked up. This one was fun to match. I wore my Ironheart 666 25-ounce denim along with my RGT ISC work shirt layered over the vintage top. I decided to tuck in the top for a more business casual look and also to show off the Tanner Goods belt, of which I matched with the gum bottoms of my Nike J. Crew Killshot 2 sneakers. The lighter colored sneakers also offered nice contrast to the outfit, offsetting the darker tone of the overall fit. The blues from the denim paired well with the blues from the top as well. In addition, the green accents from the sock accentuated the green from the shirt. The gum soles paired well with the belt and the gold accents from the sock. And for the last outfit, it's one of my favorites. I'm rocking the Woolrich flannel that I picked up unbuttoned. I love the boxiness and oversized look of this shirt and how it drapes over my body. I paired this with my Puma baskets, which I picked up a long time ago. Not even sure if they still sell them, but the color is pretty spot on with the gold accent stripes on the flannel and helps make that color pop more. For the undershirt, I've got my vintage 2004 Boston Red Sox shirt that is beautifully faded. The navy blue color goes well with my Ironheart 666 XHS denim. And to close out the fit, I've got a matching Boston Red Sox fitted. So for this fit, I've got two sets of matching colors. First, the navy blue of the denim jeans and shirt. Then, I also matched the set of earth tones of the flannel and the shoes. Just my own personal style and one of the ways I like to match colors of an outfit. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.